Roger, great to be back here at Matsuura in Colville. It's a little while since we've spoken and there's been some big developments in the company. We all know that Matsuura have been involved in additive manufacturing for some time now, but you're also now one of the resellers in the UK for the HP product. Can you tell us a little bit of the background behind this decision for you?
Well, about 6 months ago, we were looking to try and develop into the plastic side of the 3D printing market. HP used two of our dealers in Europe, both in France and Spain, and they approached us to see if we could sell it in the UK.
And the Lumex machine, which will probably be very well known amongst our audience because we've done a lot of work with you guys on that, that's obviously metal printing. This is now into the plastics. How good is it for you to now be able to offer sort of both sides of the additive manufacturing solution?
Well, I think with the Lumex, it's very good at the additive and subtractive machining. When you're looking at mould and die tools or some aircraft parts in different materials. The HP opens up a different market to us, which is new. You know, plastics, you know, as being machine tool guys, we don't really know too much about the plastic industry. So this gives us an opportunity to talk to new customers, whether it be for production style parts or just one-offs. And I think by being able to use plastics, its accuracy, repeatability of shape is paramount in what we look at.
Because we've looked at this technology quite a lot, and I tell you what, it's very, very impressive. You must be thinking as well now, you must be thinking, gee whiz, where does the market end for this? Because there is so many applications when you start actually thinking about it where it could fit perfectly, isn't there?
Yeah, I don't think there is an end, to be honest. I think the biggest problem we've got is that the development of all 3D printing machines is developing at such a speed. It's quite difficult to customers to actually make a decision on what technology or which customer or what product to go for. So when we took this on, we're looking at it exactly the same as we do if we're looking to sell machine tools. So it's a solution that we provide. We're not just trying to sell the customers a HP printer, we're trying to sell them a solution to make sure that they buy into the right sort of technology that we have. You know.
And is there a lot of learning involved in this? I mean, for your guys here, for your team, for your support guys that we see behind us, and Joe and Pete that we've spoken to already, is there a big learning curve for these guys that they then need to take to the market?
I don't think so, no. I think the biggest thing that people have to do is have a will for it to work. If you've got a product that you want to 3D print, as long as you've got a STL file, an IGES file of that particular part, then the product itself, the HP with the software, with the training sort of notes that you get with the machine, which is all like computerized and you press a button and it works, it's pretty simple. I think the biggest problem you've got is how you print the parts. It doesn't just press a button and away you go. That gives you the idea of, yes, how to work, but to actually make the part accurate, repeatable, good surface texture, that's a different sort of learning skill.
And that is where kind of printing and engineering come into it together. Now the HP brand, you're one of the resellers here. It's a very good name to have within your armoury, isn't it? I mean, that's good for Matsuura, isn't it?
It is, yeah. I think with HP, you get a good feeling that they're going to carry on developing not only for plastics, but different materials in the future, whether it be single colour, multicolour. Now there's a big development program on go with HP, and it's not going to fail. They're going to have the best printer that you can buy.